Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to update the cargo movement under the shipment or job in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the required shipment or job. After clicking that, now the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to click on the Custom tab. Then we have to click the EDI button. On this EDI page, we have to select the cargo movement type in the cargo movement column. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. Now the cargo movement will be added. This is how to update the cargo movement under the shipment or job in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.